Hi, now we will see about two-dimensional array in Java. Okay, so like matrix we all familiar about matrix, isn't it? So those kind of datas are called two-dimensional datas. Okay, so if we want to access that, first we will see about the matrix. That means one simple example I will explain you. So the first row we have 10 and 20, and in the second row we have 55 and 66. Okay, so I'll give you more space, then this is more understandable. Okay, so now this is the two-dimensional data we have stored in row wise as well as column wise. The data are stored. Okay, so for one-dimensional array we will store only in single row. Okay, so we can access by the index starts from 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3, this will go up to size -1. Okay, so if we have to store like this, in the first row we have some data, in the second row we have some data, so in the same format we have to store and we have to access. So in that case we can prefer two-dimensional array. Okay, so how here we will access the value means, this is the same way index starts from 0, so this is considered as 0th row. Okay, and this is considered as first row. Okay, and this is considered as 0th column. Okay, so the column index is 0 and this one is 1. Okay, so if we want to access this 10, we have to access by this row 0 then column 0. That means the location we can locate this by 0 0, and the 20 we can locate this by 0 1. Okay, the same way 55 and 66, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, now we will see how we are going to implement this in array. Okay, so I'm going to declare a integer array. Okay, integer two-dimensional array. So I'm giving like this. Okay, equals new int of, so the first row we have two values. Okay, so I'm giving the size as 2. Okay, in the same way the second row has two values, so I'm giving 2. Okay, so the size, the row, how many datas we want to store in the row, that size should be specified here. And the second row, how many we have, sorry, this is the column size. Okay, so 2 column we have to do, then you have to give 2. Okay, so now I want to access 10. Okay, I'm going to print this. 10 means this is the index, we can locate this by 0 0, isn't it? So I'm, for printing purpose, I'm giving 0 0. How we have to access is a of 0 0. Okay, now this should print 10. Okay, so if we are giving 0 1, then that should print 20. Okay, I'm giving 0 1, then this should print 20. Next, if you want to access 55, this, the row is 1 and the column is 0. So 1 and 0. Okay, okay, here index got gone, so okay, so now I comment this control slash, let's run these 3 statements. Okay, oh, where we had made mistake. Okay, we have not initialized the values. Okay, we have just created and not initialized. Okay, so how we can initialize is, in the same way we can initialize a of 0 0 should be 10. So this 10 we have to store in 0 0 position. Okay, so next is a of 0 1, that means 0th row and first column. Okay. So here we have to store 20. Okay, and next is 10. So here we have to store 55. Okay, we have initialized. Now we can print. Okay. Yeah, now this is printed. In another way, how we can declare is, this is the variable we have just declared, not initialized. Okay, we can initialize in the while declaring the variable. How we can do is, so int a of two-dimensional array. So I have given two square brackets, and here I am going to directly assign the value. Okay, so here this 10, 20 is considered as one array, and this is considered as one array. Okay, so how we have to assign during the declaration is 10, 20. I am closing this first row. Okay, then I am assigning 55, 66. I am closing this. Okay, now we should get the same value. Let's check. Yes, here we got a 00 is 10, 01 is 20, 10 is 55. Obviously if we print 11, that will be the 66. Okay, I run this. Yeah. Thank you.